Good afternoon everyone, Paul from 123 Drone. Hope you're having a fantastic Sunday. Just thought I'd show you around where I'm working from today. So I'm in the office creating some content for the YouTube channel and catching up with some editing. And at the HQ offices in Margate. So I thought I'd give you a quick tour just in case you are looking to rent some space. Really good facilities here. I've been here for about 3 weeks. Very impressed with it so far. So let's give you a bit of a tour. This is the office where I'm working from today. This is actually vacant, this space. So I'm just utilising it to do some filming because it's got some great natural light coming in and also a really nice open balcony overlooking the beach, which is fantastic. A few people out on a walk today. It's not started raining yet, which is good. So yeah, really nice location. So I'll take you down onto the ground floor and show you some more of the office space. There are actually 4 levels here, I believe. Actually, before we go downstairs, I'm just going to show you the balcony at the rear of the building as well. This will be fantastic in the summertime. Overlooks Dreamland, which is obviously very quiet today, not open. They're obviously getting ready for the season. Been to a few gigs there myself, so during the summertime you can sit out here and listen to some music, which would be great. Okay, so this is the main entrance when you come in off of the pavement of the main road, and this is the area that you're greeted with, which is really nice. If you've got meetings, you want to meet someone here, you want to book a meeting room, it's a fantastic location. You can park right on the front as well. It is limited to 2 hours, or you've got the Dreamland car park at the back, or you can park a bit further away and walk. Okay, so this is the ground floor. As you can see, really nice long hallway. Got some offices on the right hand side. Photocopier if you need it. Some seats there if you want to have your lunch. And then down here further you've got more office space on the right hand side. These small offices which are ideal for what I use. Got a kitchen area there. Coffee machine, which is very important. Then my small office here, which predominantly I use for editing or charging up the equipment for the next day's work. So we've got a few drones on charge there for tomorrow. Okay, facilities at the back, another office. Let's go downstairs. There's a couple of rooms down there I just wanted to show everybody, which would be ideal if you're looking to have co-working space or meeting rooms. Okay, so this is the lower ground floor. Some really nice desk units down here and some quiet working space. Obviously it's empty today because it's Sunday, so I thought I'd take the opportunity to show everybody around. That's the rear entrance, which is on the lower ground floor at the back, which is open Monday to Friday. They've got monitors here as well, so if you need to link up to monitors for meetings, some more offices here as well on this level. And then this space at the back here, which is fantastic. Got some lockers, sorry, here on the right hand side. Got area there if you want to sit and have a meeting or eat your lunch. And we've got another kitchen area here as well. I think there's a kitchen area on every floor, I think. And then this area here, which is really, really nice. I think this is actually up for rent, this office, but I've used it a couple of times because it's not occupied at the moment. And it's, I don't know, a breakout area as well. But it's pretty cool. The lighting's really good in here. It's a nice space if you want to do some recording or have a meeting. So yeah, that's it. So if you're looking for any office space in the Thanet area, maybe worth having a look. I'll put a link down below to their website, and you can get in contact with Elise, and she can give you some prices. Have a fantastic Sunday.